Hello everyone and welcome to Anthroholic. In this video, we are going to talk about the comparison between anthropology and history. So what are the difference between the two and what are the relations between the two we are going to explore in this video. I am 𝗪𝗺 and you are on Anthroholic channel. Now we will first start with understanding the meaning of the two words in general, what the two words mean. If we look at the meaning of history, history comes from an ancient Greek word that is historia, which means inquiry or knowledge which is acquired by investigation or when something is learned through inquiry. So when you are gaining knowledge about something by investigating into it, that is what history is as per the ancient Greek word historia from which it has been taken. But if we look at the meaning of anthropology, etymologically, the word anthropology is derived from two Greek words. So, first is anthropos, which means human, and logos means the study or the science. So, the study of humans or the science of humans is what anthropology is. So the study of human behavior, human existence, all of that comes under the characteristic or under the umbrella of anthropology. Now, if we look at the definition of the two, history is the study of past events. So that in this we usually explore about those events which have been related to human societies or cultures or civilizations, and then we try to understand how that has shaped the present we are in right now. So history is whatever happened in the past, whatever civilizations humans formed, whatever kind of societies humans had, whatever cultures humans had, how that has brought us to where we are today as a society, as a culture, as a civilization. Now, before we proceed to understand the difference between the two, I would first like to introduce you to the Anthropology Optional course, which has been launched by Anthroholic. This is for UPSC IAS mains exam, which is the first micro topic based course with live classes as well at a very reasonable price. In this, the whole segment of anthropology has been broken into all the micro topics, and we will in fact tell you how to go through the course in case you require that help. There will be study material provided. There will be ebooks, notes, daily answer writing practices, test series. Everything will be provided along with video courses for all these micro topics. And this will also ensure you are added into a WhatsApp group where you can ask your queries regarding anything that you come across while studying for anthropology for your IAS mains exam. Along with that, definitely free YouTube videos are there, but you know how limited they are going to be. So it's always better to go for a course where you can learn at your own pace with your own understanding of topics and can ask your doubts whenever you are in one. It's at a very reasonable price, and the link is going to be in the description below. So go check it out right now. First, before that you go, let's have a comparison between anthropology and history. So going through the comparison, we'll first understand the comparison of scope. Now anthropology is very broad. It covers the ancient also and the contemporary societies also. So the scope and the area of anthropology, it is the current and the past. Everything is covered in that. But history is only about focusing on documented past which was there, whatever has been written down, whatever has the documents ready for it, they are studied in history. So the scope of anthropology is way wider compared to that of history. If we look at subfields, anthropology subfields are biological, there's cultural. So we have biological anthropology studying about the biology of humans. We have cultural anthropology, studying about the cultural development of human societies. We have archaeology in it, studying about the development of humans to who they are now, and the linguistic anthropology, studying the language and enhancement and development of language from the past to the present. So, subfields of anthropology are these. When it comes to history, the subfields are political history, that is, how political uh, upbringing has been of human societies from past to now. The social history, that is the societies. The economic history, that is how the economic systems were developed in the past to now. The cultural history. All of these four are the major subfields of history. Then if we look at focus, now anthropology's focus is majorly on the human evolution, the cultures and the society. So the past as well as the present of the evolution of cultures of society is covered by anthropology, whereas history focuses on the events, the changes in societies over time that have happened. If we look at methods, now anthropology is majorly focusing on the field work, but also takes into consideration the ethnography, the archaeology, the comparative studies, everything. Like, it is the most detailed form of study that is there. In history, there are definitely archival research and source criticism. So whatever is present, because in starting we are told that it is all about documented things. So whatever research has happened, whatever documents are present, those are the ones which are studied, researched upon and criticized as well. If we look at the goal, now each subject has a goal at the end. So anthropology's goal is to understand the human diversity as well as the evolution of human societies. But the goal of history is to reconstruct and interpret the past events only. Its focus is only on the past, so its goal is also to reconstruct the past events and to reinterpret it or interpret it. Anthropology has a very wider goal, that is to understand what human diversity is, how we have evolved, and what diverse form that humans have right now. So in all, these are the points. So in scope, we can say that anthropology is very broad compared to history, whose focus is on documented past. In subfields, we've seen that anthropology has biological, cultural, archaeological and linguistic, whereas history has political, social, economic and cultural. In terms of focus, the focus of anthropology is on both past and present. So it will talk about evolution, about cultures, about societies in past as well as now. History is going to talk about the changes in society over time, the events that have happened over time and how they have caused a change over time. In methods, you can see that anthropology is very deep in its work because it goes through field work, it will have ethnography, it will have archaeology as well as comparative studies. Whereas history is basically going through the documented work, the archival research as well as the source criticism. In terms of goals, the anthropology's objective is to understand human diversity as well as evolution, whereas the goal of history is to reconstruct and reinterpret the past events. So I hope you are clear on it. And to have a better understanding and preparation for your UPSC mains exam for anthropology optional, do go through the course. The link is in the description. All the WhatsApp number, the Telegram channel and the Instagram are already there. You can even scan the QR code for joining the WhatsApp. And do join the course because it is amazingly made for every detailed description for you to understand anthropology for your mains exam at your own pace and a proper subdivision. Nothing like that can help you more than how it has been prepared. So I will be seeing you there. Till then, have a good day.